Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to find the best selling products on AliExpress in 2025, step by step. Whether you are a dropshipper, online seller, or just looking for trending items to resell, this guide will help you find winning products fast, no paid tools needed. AliExpress is a goldmine for product ideas. It has millions of items, real-time data like order counts and reviews, and most importantly, it's one of the main suppliers for beginner and advanced dropshippers. The key is learning how to spot trending and evergreen products, which I will walk you through now. Head over to aliexpress.com and start with a category you are interested like home improvement, fitness, or phone accessories. Once you are in a category like home improvement and lighting, filter the result using the sort by orders, drop down etc. Select one from here like bulbs. This shows you the most purchased products in that category. A quick way to identify what's already selling well. Also, check the ratings or reviews. Anything over 4.5 stars with 500 plus orders in a great starting point. Another smart way is to search using trend categories like 2025, 2025 trending, hot item, or dropshipping. Sellers often put these keywords in their product titles to attract dropshippers. You will find items with thousands of orders and many have videos or images that you can repurpose for your store. If you have an AliExpress account, you get access to the AliExpress Dropshipping Center totally free. Just log in and search Dropshipping Center, Dropshipping Center, AliExpress. On the on Google, copy and paste here and search it and click the official link. Here you can explore hot selling products, analyze their sales performance over time, and even filter by delivery, location, and rating. This tool is underrated and super powerful. You can even copy products product URLs and analyze them. Select one and copy the URL from here and analyze them. When you find a product you like, don't just look at sales, check the seller rating, delivery speed, and how recent the reviews are. Click Reviews section and you can see the date. Then ideally choose suppliers with a 95% plus positive feedback score. Fast shipping options like AliExpress standard shipping and active reviews in the last 30 days. This helps avoid slow delivery or bad customer experiences. If you want to level up, here are some bonus free tools to help. Ali Hunter Chrome extensions shows real-time orders and product insights. Just open your browser and search Ali Hunter extension. Now click on it, then click Add to Chrome, then click Add extension. It shows real-time orders and product insights. Then the search or overflow for connected stores sort by best selling research. TikTok and Amazon trends. What's trending? They are usually hit AliExpress soon. Also check if the product has real photos, demo, videos, or variations. These are gold for your product pages. And that's how you find best selling products on AliExpress in 2025. Perfect for dropshipping, print on demand, or niche stores. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment with your favorite product category. I might make a follow up just for it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.